dissented by the 5th, 6th and 7th.
The ruling by the High Court brings to an end the protracted impasse over mining licenses that pit Mining Secretary Najib Balala against Kotek Mining Company, when Balala revoked the company's license alongside 42 other companies that had been registered between January and May 2013. Kotek claimed it was the main target of the Cabinet Secretary's decision, arguing that at the time of cancellation, it was the only company in operation, leading to a back and forth of accusations and counter-accusations between Balala and Kotek Country Director Jacob Juma. At one point, Juma even alleging Balala had sought a bribe.
The Minister of Mining was demanding Kenya shillings 80 million from Kotek Mining Company Limited, and that if the company did not honor the payment, the minister has threatened to cancel the licenses issued since 2007.
If it's money, I don't need money. Thank God, I am hardworking and I will not need what he wants to offer.
Kotek thus sued Balala in an attempt to get its license back, but the High Court today, before Justice John Mutungi, has dismissed the case.
The government has been vindicated to have acted in the public interest. We have made that decision when we came in. When we came in as a new government, even before I was appointed, we had information from the private sector, the Chamber of Mines in particular, that there has been some illegality.
Kotek says it has drilled close to 8,000 meters at Mrima Hills in Kwale County, leading to the excavation of rare earth and niobium, a mineral used to produce high-strength, low-alloy used in steel. But it claims the Chinese have a hand in the revocation of its license, claiming they want to control the niobium market. Jackie Maribe, Citizen Weekend.